Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna as a empowering life coach, healer and counselor. Dear all, you know, to start our day with full of energy is very important for all of us, right? And to start with positive thinking, great energy, it really helps us to move towards our more and more better life, not only us but also our family's life. And for that, I want to invite you to join my 21 days workshop, which is going to start from the 10th of January 2024. So let's enroll for this workshop. Let's make our life more beautiful. In this, we are going to have many more things daily to make our life to ourselves best version by doing secret things. And if you want to know it, kindly join my free workshop, which is going to happen again on 9th of January at 5 a.m. So let's bang on. Let's change our life to move ourselves to become our best version. So why you are waiting? Join the link which is given in the description box and change your life by 360 degrees Celsius. So let's move. Thank you.